want to show you how to play My Woman, My Woman, My Wife, as it was sung by Marty Robbins. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction. Now, for the introduction, we're in the key of C, so we're starting off with a C arpeggio. C, G, C, E, C, G, C, E. And then right hand, we're going to have G, C, G, E, F, E, F, E, D, E, D, C, C, E, G, F, E, F, E, D, C. So it's very simple there. Then we go right back to the melody, and then we go right into the melody. E, 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 G, G, E, G, F, 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 G, A, G. Now we got an E triplet. E, 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 E. Quick E's. E, E, G, G. G, A, G, F. G, A, B. Back to E, 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 G, G. G, G, A, G, F. G, A, B. Hold it out. C, 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 B, C, E, D, C, E, C, C, D, B, B, C, and then we're into the second verse. The left hand there, you're going to have a similar thing that you started the introduction with. C, G, C, E, but then we go to E, B, E, G, so we're going to an E minor, and then F, C, F, A to an F chord, and G, D, G, G, F, D. So we've got a C chord, an E minor chord, an F chord, and a G7 chord. Your C chord is 1, 3, 5 on C, C, E, G, 1, 3, 5 on E for E minor, E, G, B, 1, 3, 5 on F for F chord, F, A, C. And then your G7, 1, 3, 5, 7, G, B, D, F. So the way that'll work, it'll sound like this. To the E minor, E, B, E, G, F chord, F, C, F, A. Then the G, D, G, G, F, D. And then we do it again. E, B, D, F, C, F, A, G, B, D, E, G, F. So you're going to hold that G for a second. G, then quickly B, D, F, then G, A, B, C, then E, B, and E. So what we're going to do that next time through, we're going to have, when we get to that, we're gonna do the left hand differently. We'll hit the C and then the E and the G and then the E and then B and E, F, C and F, an open fifth sound, and then we hit the F chord with C at the bottom, C, F, A. Then we have a G, open fifth sound, D and G, G with a D and F, seventh sound, and then C, E, G, C, and arpeggiate that C chord, C, E, G, C. Now let me go through the verse slowly there so that you can see how it fits in. Start it over again. So that F chord there is a fill. F, C and F, then fill second verse, I'm going to do something different in the left hand. I'm going to go C chord, E and B, and then pop it twice. F and C, hit it again. G, B, D, F, G, A, B, C. Then we're back to this, and then hit the chord. E, B, E, again. F and C again. G, B, D and F, D and F. Back to C and E, G, C, G, E, B, E. Then we're very similar to the first verse. That second verse with the C7 because you're leading into the F chord for the bridge. So you're going to go to C, E, G, B flat. Now let me put it together with you for that second verse. You're having G, A, B, and that G pickup comes with that B. So you hit the C, E, and G, and then this chord comes with the ba, 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 E, E, E. Seventh sound there, that C7, and then the bridge C, 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 A, C, C, B, B, A, G, G, A, G, F, G, A, G. I play those as triplets. F, G, A, G. Go back up to the C, 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 A, B, C, B, B, A, G, G. Now two triplets here. A, B, C, D. Okay, now let's get the left hand with that F. We start off with it. We go, and for the bridge, we go to an F first. F, C. Now we pop these together. C. So you go F, C, E. We do the same thing. E and B. We're gonna. Pop that E, so we're going to go F, C, pop it, F, E, B, pop it, D, A, don't pop it, and go C, G, C, B, A, E, then we go to an A minor sound there. So I go slowly through that bridge section. The A minor, A, E, then to an E, B, now to a D, D, A, D, F sharp, G, B, D, F, G, A, B, C. So we'll end that out with that G, A, B, C and going right into the third verse in the tag. And then we have, starting with just before the two triplets. Verse gets kind of somber because he's talking about her coming to the end of the life and going to heaven and how she's impacted him. So it gets kind of somber. So I kind of paint it with the way we do that. C and G, E, B, then the verse will be E, 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 G, G, F, 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 G, A, G, E, 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 G, G, E, G, A, G, F, G, A, B. Then when he comes with Lord, give her my share of heaven as E, 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 G, G, E, G, A, G, F, G, A, B. And then it closes out. And when it closes out, the bass gets a little bit more melodramatic too. So you'll see how it closes out there. So let's start just before the third verse and tag. And you don't want to rush this. What I do is I try to sustain that C through the F chord and then add the other notes for the C chord. E and the G in the right hand and C, G, C in the left hand. There you have it. My Woman, My Wife, as sung by Marty Robbins. I hope you enjoy playing it.